So good evening to all of you and welcome in this episode of Gyan Pravah. It is a visionary program of none other than but our dynamic president, Dr. Sunita Tandulwadkar madam. So as we all know, ma'am doesn't need any introduction. Ma'am is at present current president of Fogsi. Ma'am is the past president of IAG. Ma'am is the president-elect of ISAR and whatnot. Just to credit, ma'am has a lot of award in her credits, and definitely, ma'am is a first baby of a stem cell at a age of 45 years. That is first in the world. So, and we all know the amount of work ma'am is doing for upliftment of the women's around across the India is really, really remarkable. Before I start and taking blessings from ma'am, to all the viewers, to all the Foxian, I just want to invite all of you in the Star Sampurna conference, and definitely it's a visionary conference of none than but our very own, very dynamic, the presidential conference Pune at the beautiful city at the Pune. I request all of you, please join. It has a full, package of, academics, package of, entertainment and whatnot. And, we all know how ma'am is organizing this, and she is taking care of each and every topics, a full-fledged workshop and everything. So I request all of you, please join in this wonderful workshop of 14, 15 and 16th of November at Pune. So ma'am, before we start, I just want your blessings. Over to you, Sunita ma'am.
Thank you, Apurva. You are really my darling chairperson. And let me tell you, Apurva, you are very sincere, very ethical, very honest, and very hardworking chairperson. The only chairperson who went through the Fogsi website, which are the various awards, and where you can participate, may it be a publication, may it be your work, and you have done it. That shows your sincerity. You are practicing in a small East India, but the work what you do is larger than life. So thank you so much. Dr. Mai, how do I pronounce you? I think it's right.
Mei.
Mei.
Mei would be my first name, and is my surname.
So, that's lovely. May I join for this podcast just to show the respect to the faculty who is coming, to welcome them on the platform of Fogsi. Fogsi is our federation of 46,000 gynecologists, probably the largest organization of any OB/GYN in any single country. And we are blessed that 75 years of a history of this foundation and the amount of work our past presidents have done. So everything is so methodical. President works on one side with the vice presidents and 30 chairperson, and on one side the office bearers who look after the admin part. So it's a very well structured, and we have 292 societies, and these society presidents and secretary also join the hand in the organization. So it is very easy to transmit any work you wish to do easily with 292 societies because their presidents are connected with us. So we do a lot of program on women health and maternal health, and the work done by the past president always is continued. Plus we add on with your own vision for the year. So this podcast is one of our program for these 30 committee chairpersons. So on a 30 days, 30 people take the interview. It may be academic, non-academic, on social, spiritual, philosophical, political, any background, which will be of a great help to the viewers. Though it is on YouTube, anyone can view. We will give you the link also. You can collaborate with our Foxica. We will send you for a collaboration. इनको YouTube channel की link just send it Apurva, so she can collaborate and she can promote it in her city or in her country also. And that is that is the best way to move on. and I'm sure your podcast is going to be one of the best podcasts. I wish you all the best, and I joined the viewer link just to listen to both of you.
Thank you. Thank you
Thank
so much, ma'am. Ma'am, before that, Dr. Me is also a great fan of yours again. She sent me the picture of, Foxy 9 at Figo, and she told me, see, I clicked the picture of all of yours, and your president is so dynamic, and she organized such a beautiful, it is one of the best. So thank
Exactly.
you so much.
I was hoping to meet Aprabha there, and then I was like, oh my God, this evening reception that was so dynamic. There was so many countries joining. It was like it really
larger than
shows
life. We always do
how
that.
far Fogsi has reached, to all the different countries. And I've had the pleasure of actually working with like some of the Indian obstetricians and also like through the encounter within Vartok and Foxy as well. So I'm very grateful to get this invitation from both of you to actually join part of this and
Thank you. Thank you. I'm
Thank,
happy to
thank
know
you.
that you
Thank you so much.
enjoyed, and I will be listening to both of you from the viewers link. Enjoy.
Absolutely. Thank you
all
so much,
right.
ma'am, for always being there,
Thank
for
you.
always your
Thank
blessings. Thank you. Thank you so much. So, my dear friends, this is my dear friend, Dr. Me, though I never met her personally, but through various channel, we get a very good relationship, and she is so dynamic and joined there from Ireland, and she is just immediate past Secretary General of WETOG. She is the chair of young sexual medicine scholar, and she is doing wonderful in that. Thank you so much, Dr. Me, for joining and for giving us the time. And today, when we are talking about the sexual problems, it's basically not only the sexual problems, but people doesn't know about the sexual rights. So and when as a gynecologist, we are actually have a lot of responsibility of giving the awareness to our patients. So, so this is today we are discussing, and just I want to know from Dr. Me also that what her views, what she is doing, and what the European countries are doing towards that. So, thank you so much, Dr. Me, for joining, and I welcome you. So, Dr. Me, when we are talking about, social or you can sexual justice, I just want to know from you what is actually the sexual and reproductive rights. Now, people are really very much confused, when they are thinking of about the sexual and reproductive rights, that what actually is contained. So, this is your first question. Yeah. That what's
So I
your view
think that
about the sexual and reproductive rights?
So I think like to maybe summarize it a bit better for people to understand, I think we first need to kind of examine what exactly is reproductive and sexual health, even for the layman people and also for us clinicians. We're always taught that, within health, it means that, if let's say there is no disease, no disorders, that means that we're healthy. But that's not what reproductive and sexual well-being is about. It is sorry, sexual health is about. It's actually about the well-being itself. It means that people should be able to have safe, consensual, satisfying sex life, decide when and if they want to have children, to have the information to be able to make those decisions, and then also the services that's accessible that allows them to do that freely and also with respect and dignity. So you can see that all of these elements very much link to human rights itself, the right to have autonomy, to have informed choice, to equality. So, our role as gynecologists is more than just treating people for preventing a disease. Isn't It's also advocating for this right to be upheld. That's my opinion on it. I'm sure you share the same idea as well from our conversation together. I feel that you share the same thought.
Absolutely. Absolutely. So it is, we can't say a person